Hey guys! Now is a good time. I've decided to start doing some corrections on some of my earlier videos. I won't stop making new videos, but they might be a little less regular. And you'll probably see a lot of re-uploads with incorrect content removed and new, better content thrown in, or maybe I'll just change up some of my graphics. The main thing that I want to focus on is not getting wrong information out there. When I started this channel, I knew that I wasn't anywhere near a perfect Basque speaker, and I've learned a lot from all my silly mistakes. I also am only one person, and my brain is kind of fried sometimes, so if you notice any mistakes, please let me know. Or if you think of anything that could be explained more clearly, please tell me that too. All critiques are welcome. I'm not gonna cry. Much. I'd also like to learn more about Basque dialects so I can make content on those too. So if you are a Basque speaker and speak a village Euskalki and would like to contribute, let me know and we can fight the stigma around Basque Euskalkiak together. Or if you'd rather email me instead of commenting, you can do that here. Whether it's to tell me about your Euskalkia, tell me about your Basque learning journey, or just say, hey, Shanna, this one thing in this one video is dumb. Get it together. Just don't send me your feet pictures. Thanks for all the help and support, you guys. Gora Euskara, Gora Zuek!